In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to discuss performing operations on scientific notation. Okay, so we have an example here where we have two numbers written in standard form. So 5.3 by 10 to the power of 2 and 4.7 by 10 to the power of 4. And we need to add them together. So the first thing we're going to do is expand both numbers. So 5.3 by 10 to the power of 2 is the same as 5.3 by 100. And then we have 4.7 by 10,000. Okay, so we're going to expand the numbers first. So for 5.3 by 100, we're going to get 530. And for 4.7, we're going to get 47000. Okay, let's add these together. So we get 47530. If we were asked to give this in scientific notation, we would have to change it to 4.753 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. Next example, we have 3.6 by 10 to the power of 3 minus 2.1 by 10 to the power of 2. So again, let's expand these numbers first of all. So when we subtract these two numbers, we get 3390. And our last example, again, we're going to expand the number first. So we have 1800 minus 940. And we get 860. So now on to multiplication and division. So our first example, we have 5.3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. And 4.7 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so again, we're going to expand these two numbers first of all. So we get 530 multiplied by 47000. And we get 2491 is 4 zeros. Okay, so now we want to change this number back into standard form. So this is equal to 2.491 multiplied by 10 to the power of, so again we have to go back and count the spaces we've moved the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power of 7. Okay, our next example. So let's just do this example slightly differently, just so we can kind of see the different ways we can do it. So 3.6 multiplied by, so I'm going to expand our 10 powers first of all. So we have 10 to the power of 3 is going to be 1000 multiplied by 2.1 by 100. So 3600 multiplied by 210. And we get 75600. Again, we'll change this into standard form. So we get 7.56 multiplied by 10. And we count our spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 10 to the power of 5. Now let's look at an example of division. So again, we're going to expand our numbers first, then divide, then change the numbers back into scientific notation. So we have 9.4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. So that is 10,000 over 1.8 multiplied by 1,000. So we get 94000 on the top, and we get 1800 on the bottom. So, first of all, we can simplify this. We can cancel 2 of the zeros here. So really what we're doing is dividing above and below by 100. So now we're dividing 940. We're dividing 18 into 940. And our answer is 52.2, and that's recurring. Okay, and our next example. Again, we're just going to do this slightly differently so you can see different ways you can do the same question. We're going to break this up and we're going to say 7.2 over 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4 over 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so what we can do is we can simplify this down further. So 7.2 over 6 multiplied by. So here we have our laws of indices coming in. So when we have the same base number, which is 10, and we're dividing the powers, what we do is subtract. So 10 to the power of 4 minus 2. So we will get 7.2 divided by 6 is now, multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. So we get 1.2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. So here we have found our number in scientific notation. So we must remember that if we are dealing with numbers in scientific notation, we can sometimes apply the laws of indices. For more information, you can visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter.